All right, today we're going to take a look at the free lookup table fast film. So I've got this JPEG loaded into Photoshop. We're using Photoshop as our demo, and I've got the fast film free LUT here. Let's test it out. So there's before and there's after. Before, after, gives it a nice film emulation look. And if you're looking for more lookup tables like this, check out the LUT collections from Preset Pro. So let's test some of these out. So I'm going to go to the LUTs here, and I've already loaded some of these in. Let's try the Kodak Portra here. There we go. Really nice. So there's before and there's after. Before, after, and of course you can use this in Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Photoshop, you name it. All right, if you want to download the free lookup table fast film, go to presetpro.com, look under the free tab, and check out LUTs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.